Recording in progress.
Hi, everybody. Tonight's very special. I'm very thankful, excited, humbled, privileged to be here to give you an overview of the Ananta X 5-step system. Let's run through this. 7 reasons why the 5-step system is unique and crucial for your business and your success. Number 1, it removes the guesswork. Most people fail because they don't know what to say or what to do next. 5-step system gives you clarity and sequence. There's no confusion, no overthinking, and no improvising. It controls motion. Success is not about hype, it's about stability. The 5-step system keeps you calm, professional, and neutral. You don't react to rejection, you simply follow the process. Number 3, it's duplicatable. Complicated systems collapse. Simple systems multiply. And the 5-step system can be learned quickly and taught easily, which makes scaling, growth possible. I can teach anybody this sentence. If I would you, I can teach that to anybody. I can teach that to my 3-year-old grandson. If I would you, we just fill in the blanks. It builds professional authority. We spoke a little bit about that last night. Instead of convincing, chasing, or debating, or going into this multiple language discussions about why and why not, the system positions you as structured and confident. You become a guide, and that's a key, not a persuader. I will never convince anybody about Ananta X. There's a system, there's the information. Yay or nay. Go that way. If he says on step 2, if he says that, we go this way or we go that way. We're going to go through that just now. And it creates trust. Number 5, it separates feelings from results. It protects your mindset. I've said it so many times. We are born neutral. This world is negative and we're fighting like crazy to stay positive. Now I've got to fight to stay positive, and I've got to handle rejection, and I've got to kind of find a way to keep myself positive and fight the rejection and get them positive, and hopefully I don't get negative, and it's an all de mekaar story. I'm not interested. I focus on the mindset and I let the system work. Whenever somebody says yes or no, that don't change my belief. I simply move on to the next step because consistency beats emotion. Number 6, it creates momentum. When I follow a structured system daily, I invite consistently, I follow up correctly, I close professionally, and momentum builds naturally. Number 7, it makes success predictable. Talent is optional. Charisma is optional. Confidence grows over time. Doesn't matter where you are, how you look. Obviously, we try to be a little bit more professional, but if you follow the 5-step system, basically word for word, it will put you in another bracket. A proven system that makes results predictable. If I know I'm going to talk to 10 people, some are going to go there, some are going to go there, I'm going to have some success. That's it's just the way it works. Because the law of averages is in my favor. But if I'm not out there talking, there's no average. Anyway, that's a talk on its own. When you master and apply the 5 steps, this 5-step system daily, your growth becomes a matter of activity, not luck. Final growth from truth. Success is not about being the most talented. Obviously, as you do this over and over, you will become better. but it's not about talent. It is about being the most disciplined in following a system. The five-step system is not just a method, it is the bridge between intention and income. Let's run through the five-step system as an overview. Step one, hey, I'm going to read the names on the court. Christo, Kiani, Maria, Matapelo, that's Kolo or Wilbur. Hey, person, if I could show you how to save money on everyday expenses and accumulate gold without any risk, would you take a quick look at the info? That's the question. If the answer is yes, we go to the next step. If the answer is no, I'm going to say, what? What's wrong? No. I'm going to follow the system. If somebody says no, I'm going to reply and say, totally okay. I'm here if anything changes. I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. That's it. Yes or no, that's all that they can say. Now, you can adjust it a little bit. If you know somebody loves to travel, I'm going to say, hey, if I could show you a way to save on travel and accumulate gold without risk, would you take a look? If I know somebody has got children and they mention that the kids are battling at school, I'm going to say, hey, if I could show you how to get 48 hours private tutorship for your children and accumulate gold without any risk, would you take a quick look? If it's yes, we go this way. If it's no, we go that way. So they said yes. What is step two? I'm going to say, awesome. I'll send you a short intro video. Or can you come to a Zoom? Or can we have coffee? Or whatever. But if you want to use the videos, I'll send you a short intro now, just a few minutes long. It'll give you a powerful overview. What is this interview, this overview? It's the 3 little videos that's on the WhatsApp presentation. Video 1, 2, and 3. You copy them. You go, click copy, 1, 2, 3, select, copy, go to this person and paste it. After this, I'm going to say, let me know once you've watched it. I'll send a quick follow-up. That's what I do. That's it. Now, let's say the next day you haven't heard anything. You can simply copy and paste this. Hey, I just wanted to check in after the Nantex presentation you viewed yesterday. Because remember, they told you they're going to watch it. There's no rush, no pressure. The purpose was simply to give you a clear picture of our ecosystem, the benefits, the long-term value, including the automatic gold accumulation. If anything stood out to you, raised a question, or made sense for you, please feel free to get back to me and we can talk it through calmly. If not, thank you for taking time to have a look. I truly appreciate it. That's it. Now we follow up. Now they've replied back. They send you a thumbs up. They said, hey, this is pretty cool, man. Yes, I watched the videos. You go to step 3, you say, great. Quick question. Can you guys read there on the screen? It doesn't say, oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad you took time from work. No. It says, after they've watched, they told you, yeah, I watched it. You're going to say, great. Quick question. What did you like the most about what you saw? And wait for them to reply. Now they've got to think. Well, obviously I like the gold. He was talking about some ambulance stuff and, study and ranks and going on holiday. Whatever they say, you are going to say, yes, that's one of my favorites too. I love everything about Anantex. I don't care what they say. I love the back office. I love it too. I like your logo. Oh, I love it too. It's one of my favorites too. I love the call the teacher. That is literally one of my favorites too. But you don't have kids at school. No, I don't. But I love it because I'm going to help a lot of kids. Anyway, if it's positive, so you're going to say, well, that's one of my favorites too. If it's positive, if they say, hey, I love them. If it's positive, you go to the next step. If it's negative, no, I didn't like anything. Must be too good to be true. It's got to be like story. Any of that kind of crap. I'm going to say, No. I'm going to say it's negative. I'm going to say totally okay. Yeah, if anything changes, I'll just help somebody else in the meantime because I've still got 20, 30, 40, 50 people on my list. So if it's positive, we go to step 4. Step 4 is, man, sounds like you're ready. We got 2 options. We call it a member or a builder. Which option suits you best? I'll help you every step of the way. Okay, what is a member? Well, a member uses the benefits, accumulate gold, and enjoy stability. Oh, cool. Okay, what is a builder? A builder introduces other people, use a structured rewards program, and focus first on removing cost of pressure of your membership. And then you can add, remember, when somebody builds just 4 active direct members, the rewards already covers your membership while the gold accumulation continues in the background. So which option suits you best? I'll help you every step of the way. That's yes. Yes, I'll send you my link now. Let's walk through it in 2 minutes. Let's get you in. If they want some information, no, you know what? I need some information. Great. No. The answer is no problem. What part would you like more information on? I'll get it to you ASAP. I want to know more about the health. Oh, great. There's a video. I'll send it to you. I want to know about this. I want to know about that. If the answer is, maybe it's not for me. Wonderful. No problem. Totally okay. I mean, if anything changes, I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. Now, step 5, help them get started fast. Why do I say that? To lock people into the program so that they can start benefiting. After joining, now you send a link, they've registered, man, they all fire up. Hey, lucky, I've got the app and the story, man, this is fun. Now you're going to say, now, if they said option 1, they wanted to become a member, you're going to get them to use the benefits ASAP. Get them into a store with a coupon as soon as you can. Maybe short-term, funeral, explain the gold accumulation, get them onto the legacy learning program. If they say builder, you start by the 5-step system. Help them to get there forward, get them onto the growth, the Zooms, back office, whatever there is, get them on everything, and then you start with this. This is our blueprint. We write down 3 goals, date, 20 names. This is what you have to do if this is what you want to do. And there's 4, you see there's 4 blocks. There's a 5-step system on the right-hand side. I'm going to go through this until I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. If I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, my membership is covered. Now, the names that you write here and ongoing goes into your daily tracker. So this is a hot list, your close friends. I even made one for a warm list, people you know, and a cold list, people that you don't know. And from there, this is our duplication tool. There's the 5-step system. That's it. If I send this video and they can print this piece of paper to somebody, just left off Moerlandspan next to Calaban, and they have passion in their heart, power in their voice, and ready to get to work, they can take this piece of paper. If they have a link and they've registered the app, the piece of paper, they can become successful. Anyway, that's a quick overview. I'm not going to go into that too much. But what I want to tell you is if you plug into a system, the system becomes your slave. You can either work yourself to death, or you can help or let the system duplicate your efforts in other people, which means eventually, if you've done it correctly, you can literally walk away someday and get paid for generations. I'm going to stop this. I'll send it out on the Anantix Academy YouTube link.